An MS4 is a municipal separate storm sewer system. It's a stormwater conveyance system that moves the stormwater from rainwater and runoff into a receiving body or a stormwater pond. So in order to make sure water is clean and not polluted, a lot of these MS4s have an MS4 permit. What that composes of is mostly best management practices to try to keep some of those pollutants from entering the receiving water bodies. And there are different components for construction, municipal good housekeeping, and a way to inform the public and keep them informed and educated on some best management practices that they can do to help minimize any of those impacts. So the city is responsible for maintaining that permit and making sure we're in compliance with that permit. We were in the process of knowing that we needed to update our program. Every 5 years, we get a new permit from the state and they're progressively more stringent. And so we wanted to ensure that we're maintaining our compliance and staying ahead of our game. So I met some individuals that work at Moore Engineering and we just started talking about some of the needs that we have and thought it might be a good fit. So through that process, we talked about our needs and the experience that Moore had, and we are excited to bring them on board to help us with the process. Moore developed a SharePoint site for the City of Grand Forks for our program, and that's been very helpful. There's various city departments involved, so all of the city departments can deposit and retrieve information from that SharePoint site, and truly without Moore's experience and expertise in that, I think we would really be struggling. So it's a great one-stop shop for all the city departments, all our operators and employees to go to that site, and we have a public component of that as well. So that SharePoint site development has been extremely helpful and invaluable, really. I would highly recommend Moore Engineering to any other city that's looking to update their MS4 program. They had a firm knowledge of what was going on in the state, understanding of the rules and regulations, and also some of the constraints that you can run into when you're trying to develop a program. So they were very helpful, collaborative, reasonable. It was just a really good process. I'd highly recommend reaching out to Moore Engineering for those needs for sure.